What if you could create viral videos without ever showing your face, filming a thing, or editing for hours? Welcome to the world of video AI, where anyone can become a content machine on autopilot. Video AI is changing the game. It's not just editing software, it's an entire content creation system powered by artificial intelligence. From writing scripts, generating voiceovers, creating visuals, even talking avatars, AI does it all. And the best part? You don't need expensive gear or experience to start. Number 1. Text to video. Turn your ideas or blog posts into full videos with tools like Sora, Runway, or Pika. Just type your story, and boom, the AI animates it for you. Number 2. AI video editing. Want to skip hours of editing? Tools like Descript cut out filler words, silence, and even generate captions, all automatically. Number 3. Talking avatars. Don't want to be on camera? Use talking avatars like HeyGen or DID. Upload your script and the AI does the talking, with your tone and language. Number 4. Faceless YouTube automation. You can build faceless YouTube channels by combining AI voiceovers, stock footage, and trending scripts. Completely automated. Number 5. Video enhancers. And if you want your videos to look amazing, AI can upscale them, fix shaky footage, or even add slow motion like a pro editor. Here's how you can start using video AI in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Pick a niche. Education, storytelling, finance, memes, whatever you love. Step 2. Write or generate your script using ChatGPT or similar tools. Step 3. Use a tool like Pika, HeyGen, or Runway to bring your video to life. Then post it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels for maximum reach. You don't need a studio, you don't need a team, you need a smart system, and that system is powered by AI. If you're serious about building a content empire with AI, hit that like button, subscribe, and check the links below for a full list of tools to get started. Let's build something powerful.